Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question from P6 Math Advanced Learners. Okay, the question looks like this, but I've already written that down on a whiteboard. Okay, so today we are going to use some cubes, as you can see over here. Okay, we call these the linking cubes, to help us to solve a question like that. Okay, now as you can see in this question, okay, it says that the block shown below, okay, of course I didn't draw the block, but the block is actually here. As you can see, there are 7 cubes in total. Alright. It's made up of 1 centimeter cubes glued together. How many more 1 cm cubes are needed to make the smallest possible cube? Now, in order to solve this question, the first thing you want to do is you need to be able to visualize. Okay, if you are not able to visualize, right, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to see how many more 1 cm cubes do I need. Okay, so what are we going to do today? We are going to use the cubes over here to help us to see. So currently, what I've done is I have, built something that looks like this, or in fact, I would say they are identical. Alright, so today I have one of my students, but of course, she doesn't want to be on camera, so I will not show her face. Okay, but she's going to help us to build the cube. Alright, are you ready, student? Okay, come, let's go. Now, as you can see over here, okay, we are going to add some more bits of cube. Now, because we want to make this, okay, into, alright, a cube, okay, and we are trying to make sure that it is the smallest possible cube, okay, here's what we are going to do first. Okay, the ones in green are the ones that we already have. Okay, the other colors are the ones that we will be adding, so that later we can find how many do we need to add. Okay, come, let's go. Alright, so right now we have 7. Now, she is doing this, she is adding 1 to this, okay, so that this forms the base. Agree? Okay, but again, it is a cube, which means to say, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, I need to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Make sense? So let's form the base first.
Oh, base, okay.
Okay, let's form the base. Okay, so this student right now, she's forming the base.
Okay, the base is done.
Okay, so the base is formed, okay.
Now the height. So if there are 4 cubes in one side, then the height must be 4
Yes,
cubes.
alright, it has to be
That's
4 as well. Okay, so right now we are building. The reason why we are not stopping here is simply because when I see that there's 4 here, alright, the height has to be 4 as well. Okay?
Because it's a cube.
Yes. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, cool. Right now, as you can see over here, oopsie, can we just join it back? Thank you. No, the green has to be below, yeah? Join it back for me, thank you. Alright, so as you can see over here, we have a cube, alright? And like what I've said from the start, the green ones are basically the ones that we have.
FS.
And the rest of the colors are basically the ones that we have added. Right? So how do we actually know, okay, looking at this question, how do we know how many cubes do I need? Very simple. The first thing you want to do is to find out what is the volume of my new cube. Right? The volume of my cube is actually 4 times 4 times 4. Make sense? Alright, one more time, once more, 4 times 4 times 4. Alright, and that gives me 64. And because I started off with 7 cubes, okay, can you count for us? 7?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, because I have 7 cubes over here, I just have to do 64 minus away the green color. The rest of the cubes are the ones that we have added. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!